Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. How you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in today. Without any further talking schmacking schmeggery, okay? As you can tell by the title, it has been a minute since I did a drugstore makeup, so I just decided to come around, you know, bougie on a budget. You don't have to break the bank to get and look like Selin look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new, you're most definitely welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and make sure you hit the notification bell, and with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. And if you watch this video, you enjoy it, is helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. All right, thank you. And so guys, today I'm coming up to you with a super drugstore makeup-ish tutorial. Okay, this time around decide to keep it bougie on a budget. Okay, you don't have to break the bank to look like Selin. Mama don't teach you that. I teach you how to slay. Okay, and with a low price, with a low budget. Okay? All the products I use are from Drugstore. Everything is going to be listed down below as usual. If there is anything you want to know, please feel free to ask me a question in the comment section below. Thank you. Bear it in mind, guys, if you want to recreate this look, it was a little bit tricky. You're going to see everything on this video, but trust your girl, she got her back always 247. Try to put everything together, and at the beginning I was a little bit skeptical, but with the liner, with the lashes, we was Gucci. All right, and I'm loving the combo of the eye look. I'm loving it, like seriously, I'm really loving it. And I decided to go for nude lip because I know my eye is already drama and a lot was already going on my eye, so I decided just to keep the lips a little bit, you know, on a glossy and nude lippy-ish. All right, so yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look-ish makeup look together, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Let me know what you think, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. As always, don't forget to do you, stay pretty, stay blessed. Ciao. Mwah. What's up, guys? Hey guys, what's up? Let's go straight ahead and do our face. Okay, primer. This is going to be moisture slash primer. Okay, BEAUTYARTIST cream. Going to apply that on my forehead, my chin, my cheek. But I need to moisturize my hand so we don't have a hashy hand there. All right, so yeah, I'm just going to go straight ahead and massage my face, rub the cream all over my face. Okay, Loreal Glam Bronze Gigi cream. So yeah, Loreal Glam Glow cream. I do love to use this product, especially in spring slash summer. Just a very tiny bit. This is kind of a foundation, but it's not a foundation, it's just a cream. It's just giving you that extra glow underneath of your foundation. So yeah, it's glowing, girl. Bring in the spring and the summer. Oh my days, check my skin, baby girl. After NYX matte finish fine matte. Okay, I'm going to be setting my face a little bit with the NYX matte finish fine matte spray. Okay, I don't love this spray, I don't like it at all, but we are just going to be keeping it real. Okay, we are doing a drugstore-ish makeup look. Okay, for foundation today, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Perfect Match foundation in the shade Cappuccino. So to do that, I'm going to be taking this brush right here. This one is from Best Stop Cosmetic. The written is super plain, you can hardly see it, so I'm just going to apply, as we always do, 1.5 pump on one side. Start to blend in the foundation. The reason why I don't normally use this foundation all the time, it kind of a bit red in my opinion, so I love to use it in summer, in spring slash summer. So yeah, I'm going to be taking my retightening sponge to do the extra finish. Beauty sponge is your friend, your best friend. Never do without your beauty sponge, okay? Retechnique sponge. It kind of take the essence away, at the same time blend your foundation very seamlessly and flawless. I'm going for a drugstore, super drugstore-ish makeup look. So I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fits Me Matte Poreless Setting Powder in the shade 350. I'm going to be taking this Amazon brush right here. I'm just going to use that to pat in the powder all over my face. This is the only drugstore powder I think I have that matches my skin complexion. Other setting powder, they are just looking so ashy on my skin, looking not well blended, not good applied. And so anytime I want to do a drugstore makeup-ish tutorial, I always love to take this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder. Maybe there are also good ones out there, but I have not come across it. But I just hope someday that I will come across any one. But there's one I wanted to try, is from Maybelline, but I'm not sure, because me getting a foundation, a powder online from it, I can be a little bit skeptic, guys. Don't get me wrong. When it comes to foundation, I can really guess my shade, but when it comes to setting powder, do it. I'm going to be taking the L.agirl Pro Concealer in the shade, what shade is this? In the shade, I had to look for the shade. In the shade Warm Honey, this one. Be taking the beautiful bronze to contour my face. So I'm going to be taking this Amazon brush right here. I'm just going to use it to blend on my contour, guys. I decided to use another brush set today because I'm just kind of getting tired of the other brushes. But I already ordered another brush online, so I can't wait for it to get to me. So yeah, I'm just tired of my old brushes. I'm just really fed up. They are still very good and well kept, but I'm just fed up. This is me. I'm just fed up, like seriously. So yeah. So I'm going to be taking my Dior Beauty Blender, and I'm going to start from my chin. Contour, I'm going to be taking this Cosmetic brush. Like I told you on my other video, I also love to use this brush a lot. The reason why I don't normally use it often is just too small for my liking. I'm going to be using my beauty blender to do the extra matte finish, so we don't have too much ash nose contour. So, and for the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking my foundation brush just to blend just to blend the edges around for any sharp edges. Setting powder mismatch, which is the Airspun, Loreal and Sacha Buttercup. I'm just going to use it to set my under eye, the place I highlighted basically. I'm taking this brush right here, is also from Amazon. Bronze my face. Actually, this is not a bronzer, this is just a highlight palette slash blush, but it kind of appeared to me as a bronzer, which is the Catrice addition to passion fruits palettes. This one right here, this is how it looks like. Addition to passion fruits face palette. So I'm going to be taking this shade, like I said, it's going to serve for me as a bronzer and as a blusher. So to do that, I'm going to be taking this super large brush from Amazon. I'm just going to kind of dab it in like those, and which is kind of pretty shade, super pretty. It kind of reminds me of MAC blush, which is called Raisin, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, and I'm going to pack a lot because at the end of the day, it's not going to look that, it's not going to appear as a blush or as a bronzer. So that is why I need to apply more. See, combination bronzer slash blush. And I didn't even say the name. Picture, the name is called Picture. This powder, I'm just going to set all over my face with that. Passiflora, yeah, Passiflora, this one right here. I'm just going to use that to highlight, guys. You know what I mean? I'm going to use that to highlight, and I'm going to be spraying this setting spray. This one is by Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Spray. What a name, so much names. I'm just going to spray this brush right here. So this brush I'm using is also from Amazon, the same collection I've been using up to now. I'm just going to be taking this shade right here, very tiny bit. I'm going to be highlight my chin, just like so, and a little bit on my cheeks like I did the other day, so that we have a little bit of glow going on my cheeks. What you're doing, of course, I know what I'm doing. Don't doubt me, baby girl. And a little bit on my forehead, just like so. Nose, I got you, girl. I got you, baby girl. Okay, but we need to highlight this nose first. Spray. Just going to shake it a little bit, spray my face before I go in and do my eye. Puppy girl. Puppy gang, puppy. It's all over my leg. Powder. Set it just very soft-handed. I really normally don't want to set it, but I don't want the concealer should be creasing or should be patchy, so I just had to do this. For palette, to achieve this eye look, I'm going to be taking this Sephora Vivid Health Palette Matte Health. So for my transition color, I'm just going to start with this shade right here called Fire. I'm just going to pack that all over my lid, all over my crease, sorry, all over my lid. But before we forget, you don't want me to mess my under eye, right? So I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder there. This shade right here, this is kind of a light gray color. Just going to start blending the edges out. I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. The L.agirl concealer, I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. Gucci! Roots, this shade right here called Roots. I'm just going to apply that on my lid. Yes. The edges before, I'm just going to apply that on my outer V. What am I even doing, guys? I'm just playing around this makeup palette. And it's not bad. It's not bad. What you saying? Shade called Sand. I'm playing around, guys. Don't mind me, okay? Go ahead and line my waterline with the Maybelline Eyestudio liner. And I'm using the applicator. This is the first time I'm using the applicator. It's a little bit too small for my liking. So bottom lashes. I'm going to be taking this Catrice rock liquid liner, and this one in the shade rose gold. From my inner corner, I'm just going to start from my upper lid, which is the highest point of my lid, which is right here. So the lashes I'm going to be using is one of my favorite Amazon lashes sets. So Amazon. Taking this Jessup brush right here, and I need to spray it before I go in and highlight my inner corner with that. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Lip line actually is the eyebrow, but I do love to use it to line my lips because I love the color on my lips. Sometimes I do overline my lips because I love that voluminous extra lips. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And this one is in Driver 55. For a little bit of shiny lips, I'm going to be taking the Be Creative lip gloss. This one is Pril number 3. Yes. Anyway guys, that is pretty much it for this look. Okay, I'm going to spray my face once again with this MAC matte finish. Okay, setting spray.